Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver. In today's video, we will going over the key concepts in pure mathematics. Whether you are preparing for your exam or just looking to deepen your understanding, this video will help. We will start algebraic expressions. First topic is index laws. We will deeply understand this topic. So first of all, we will study what is index. Now I will write the definition of index. An index is the power to which a number or expression is raised. An index is the power to which a number or expression is raised. For example, 2 power 3 the number 2 is base and 3 is the exponent. So, which means that we will multiply two by itself 3 times. Now we will write the general form of this. In general, a raised to power n, where a is base and n is exponent. I hope you understand the definition of index. An index is the power to which a number or expression is raised. So now we will do some example to understand this concept. Before solving examples, we will study the 4 main index laws. Law 1 is product law. You have to remember the name of this law is product law because in exercise 1A we will use this product law. The rule of this law is multiplying power with same base. So we will write the statement of this law, that is when you multiply two powers with the same base, you add the exponents. This is the key concept of the first law, product law. You add the exponents. This is called product law. In general form, we can write as a power m multiply a power n. Base is same, so you have to add the exponents like a power m plus n. Now we will solve example. By using this law, x power 2 multiplied by x power 3, it will become x power 2 plus 3, which is equal to x raised to power 5. So this law only works when the base are the same. If the bases are different, you cannot combine the exponent, like x raised to power multiply y raised to power n. You cannot apply product law. The key point of this law is base of both the number should be same. Now we will discuss law 2. Law 2, that is quotient law. Quotient law, the key point of this law is dividing powers with the same base. With the same base. First of all, we will write the definition of this law, that is, when you divide two powers with the same base, you subtract the exponents. Exponent, this is the quotient law. Now we will write the general form of this, that is a raised to power m. Base should be same, a raised to power n, which is equal to a raised to power m minus n. We have subtracted the exponents. Now we will solve an example to modify the concept x raised to power 6 divided by x raised to power 4. It will become, according to this quotient lies, x raised to power 6 minus 4. Then it will become x raised to power 2. The key point of this law is, this law also applies only when the bases are same. If the bases are different, we cannot apply this law. Now we will solve law number 3. Law 3 is power of a power. The key point of this is rising a power to another power. So, the statement of this law is, when you rise a power to another power, you multiply the exponents. You will multiply the exponents. This is the power of a power law. Power of power law. The general form of this law is a raised to power whole power is n. You will multiply m into n. According to this law, we can solve this example. X raised to power 3 into x raised to power 5. Whole power 5 is, now 3 multiply 5. It will become x raised to power 15. Now we will discuss law 4. Now we will discuss law 4, that is power of a product. Rising a product to a power. To a power. Now the definition of this law is, when you rise a product to a power, you distribute the exponent to each factor. So the general form of this law is ab power n, which is equal to a power n, b power n. Now we can apply this law to an example, that is 2a raised to power 4, which is equal to 2 raised to power 4 and a raised to power 4. This rule works when the base is a product of terms. Now we will study what is negative index. Definition of this is, when an index is negative, it means we take the reciprocal we will take the reciprocal of the base raised to positive of that index. A raised to power minus n will become 1 over a raised to power n. This is the general form of negative index. Now we will apply this as x raised to power minus 3. It will become 1 over x raised to power 3. Now we will study about zero index. First of all, we will define what is zero index. Any non-zero number rise to the power of 0 is equal to 1. General form of this is a raised to power 0 becomes 1, where condition is a is not equal to 0. We will apply zero index to this example. 7 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. I hope you understand all the laws: quotient law, product law, power of power law, and power of a product, and negative index and zero index. In today's video, we have covered the key index law and how to apply them to simplify algebraic expression. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe Math Solver 1117 for more helpful math tutorials. Also leave any question you have in the comments. I will make sure to get back to you. In the next video, we will explore more complex algebraic expressions and how to simplify them using the index law we just learned. Stay tuned to Math Solver 1117. Allah Hafiz.